people, this is our 8th video of the day, and yeah, Ayush will show us how to eat tomato pasta in a way that is because why is tomato pasta good for health?
Because it has tomato.
Yeah, that's right. And what are the benefits of eating tomato?
Uh,
It makes our skin very.
very soft.
That's right. And
I'll come. My dad is letting me go to Eaton's house.
okay. And what are the other channels that you like on YouTube, Ayush?
Fighting dinosaur.
That's a channel. Fighting Dinosaur? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what else? What is your favorite thing that you like to do? Do you like to play cricket, or do you like to sleep, or do you like to run about, or do you like to run about?
Don't say run about.
Okay.
They will laugh.
No. It's okay. It's nice to, because when Ayush is running about, he's thinking of the exciting things he'll be doing, and there's so much of happiness, no?
Wait, don't talk.
Okay.
I like something very, very cool.
Okay.
It was a channel.
Which channel?
Funny pets. I just doing some people things.
That is right. So you have these cute these cute WhatsApp forwards. But last 2 videos to shoot, and we'll catch you in our next video. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.